This is how legends are made.
My answer. She may not like how I answer. She may not like the content of my answer. But I am answering. I do not have to answer.
Adik, wala akong sinabi na ganun. Patayin ako ni Marcos niyan. Maawa ka naman sa akin. Matanda na ako.
Action to stop our people. But in the process of that, kinuhanan tayo. They boarded a Philippine vessel and took equipment.
Bangag natin ang presidente. May drug addict tayo na presidente.
Cannot allow anyone to detach it from the totality of the maritime domain that renders our nation whole. I do not intend to yield. Filipinos do not yield. In the West Philippine Sea, we are on the front lines of efforts to assert the integrity of the UNCLOS as a constitution of the oceans. We have defined our territory and maritime zones in a manner befitting a responsible and law-abiding member of the international community.
Pero ayaw nilang mag-submit sa jurisdiction. But anyway, mag-submit sila o hindi, the court or the arbitration court can go on and hear the case. Ngayon, pag sinabi panalo tayo, ayaw ng China, I will not go to war. Sabi ng dalawang distinguished speaker, pupunta ako sa China. Ngayon, pag ayaw nila, then I will ask the Navy to bring me to the nearest boundary dyan sa Spratly, Scarborough. Bababa ako,